Hello folks, so today I just finished disassembling my Philips Norelco All-In-One Trimmer, and it's a 500 series. And the reason I did that was this thing stopped working all of a sudden, and I knew it wasn't the charger, so I figured, well, maybe it was the battery. It's not charging for some reason. I need to replace it. But while I took it down, or I was in the process of taking it down, it kept coming on. So I'm like, okay, well, the battery is working. And I took it all the way down and looked at the motor, and this is what I found. And that wire got dislodged for some reason, and it could be maybe I dropped it, or maybe it's just wear and tear over time, but let's put that together. Like you see, it's going to come on, and so that needs to be soldered on or some kind of way, but solder on. And I don't have a soldering wire, so I'm going to try and figure out some way to temporarily put that together. But yeah, I hope this video was useful to someone, just in case you were having the same issue and wondering if it's a battery or not. Just take a look at those little wires and make sure they're all in contact.